Hi friends, welcome to Mpishi Marekani. As promised, I'll try to do a detailed step-by-step video of how I knead my dough. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The first step I do, I'm gonna use 1 cup. Today I'm gonna be using 3 cups of flour. That's 1, 2 cups of white flour and 1 cup of the whole wheat flour. I will also do some sugar, 2 tablespoons. I'll add some salt, a tablespoon of salt. Mix, mix, mix. I'll add some liquid oil. This is canola oil, just a little bit. Then I'll mix it in. I also like adding milk to my dough. It makes it softer. This is a 1/2 cup of milk. And it's cold milk. I use lacted milk just because I'm very sensitive to milk. You can use any kind of milk. I'm also going to add, I normally use ice water, guys. It's iced water. I'm gonna add a cup of ice water and probably like a quarter. Then I'm gonna knead my dough. Now add a little bit more flour. I think that was a little too much liquid. And knead. Friends, I don't need my dough for too long. I only need it for a short while. When you're making chapatis, patience is one of the things that you really have to. Don't make chapatis when you're in a rush. I'm going to cover this for 1 hour. So this is what I use to cover my dough. It's like a clean, and I just cover it like that. So guys, after 1 hour, I come to check the dough. This is how it looks like. Looks like that. I measure my dough. This is not something you have to do. I just do it. It just helps me know how many I can make. I think with 3 cups I normally do like 7. Is using the cone shape method of folding the chapatis. So to me, I feel like this style or this method gives you the layers. It's a lot. You get that definition of layers, and this is how I do it. You can either use canola oil or you can use butter or Blue Band. Today I'm gonna use Blue Band. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video, because I'll be doing like more videos with different ways of folding them. Also for the salt, I put like maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon. Feel free to adjust to your liking. And the sugar is also optional. So I cut it right there, and I fold it like that, as like a cone. I fold it like that, and then see how the dough is stretching. Then I tuck it under there. And then I press it down. And I let it sit. This is after 1 hour. We roll it. Well, not really after 1 hour. You make the balls and you can just let them rest for like 5 minutes. The longer they rest, the better they become. See? I normally cook my chapatis 1 by 1. Food is really up to your preference. It's puffy. There's no yeast, there's no baking powder. I like to wipe my pan. You see what I meant? When you do the cone shape, it's almost like a book. See, look. I know there's some people who don't want to see me doing this, but look at that.